So for a super fudgy chocolate mug cake, this was how we went about it. We first of all heated the flour to get rid of bacteria. Then my daughter did the baking. So we have our flour, the sugar, the cocoa powder, baking powder or baking soda, pinch of salt, milk, vegetable oil or melted butter if you like, vanilla. Well, we didn't use vanilla in this, kind of optional. Chocolate bars or chips if you have, and broken mugs. And then first of all, you combine all the dry ingredients together, then add your milk, then your vegetable oil, stir it together thoroughly, and then add your chopped chocolate bars. Mix together, you have that fudgy look. Pop in the microwave for 1.5 minutes. Ta-da! You see that molten look? That's the melted chocolate bars right there in the middle. Mouth-watering. To kind of jazz this up, what we did was we added some dollops of coffee ice cream. Coffee goes fantastically well with chocolate cake. I call it mocha. And so it goes in right there, and the taste is a piece of heaven, trust me.